Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today, we're gonna make an easy origami bookmark. You'll need a piece of square paper, any size, and scissors, which are optional. First, you're going to take your paper, and if one side is colored and one side is not, you're going to flip the colored side over so the blank side is showing. Then you're gonna fold it in half. Next, you're going to take this side and bring it to the top of your triangle. You're going to do the same with the other side. Then you're going to unfold. Then you're going to take this part of the triangle, the tip, and fold it down to the bottom. It should look like this. Next, you're going to take the edge, fold it over, and then tuck it in, like so. Same thing with this side. Fold it over and tuck it in. And there you go. Bookmark. And you can just slip this on the corner of any book. Now, I like to cut off this white part right here, which is why the scissors were optional, but you can keep it if you like. But if you cut it off, here's what it would look like. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and please like and share this video. Bye!